Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maximum Momming. Today I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen, the pantry, and the refrigerator, and I'm going to be packing. You know why? Because the Harris family is going on vacation, so I need to pack, make sure my family packs, and I need to pre-vacation clean to make sure that the house is not stinky when we come home. Because that's the last thing that I want, is for it to have a stinky house when I come home from a nice relaxing vacation. So let's get started with the kitchen first, because that is one thing that I definitely need to get done. Because with the kitchen, you want to make sure that it's clean, and you want to make sure you take out the trash. So in order to do that, thoroughly, you got to make sure you get all the trash out. So you throw everything away and then take the trash out. So right now I'm just clearing off the counters, throwing away old cans, recycling old cans, and making sure that I just get out the paper clutter and all that stuff first. So these dishes are just a few pots and pans that were left over from yesterday, and that we basically used, but they don't go in the dishwasher. We prefer to hand wash these. So I'm just washing these up and just going to put these away because I just don't like to put them in the dishwasher. As you can see, the trash is completely full. So I have to make sure that I take these bags out to the can on outside, and then we're going to, the day that we actually leave, we're going to take any leftover trash out that day as well. It's because we don't want any trash in the house while we're gone at all. So this is how my pantry stands now. And it's not that bad, but it's some stuff in here that's going to expire while we're gone, like the bread and just a few things. And then it's just some stuff I need to restock that's not going to expire. And then my miscellaneous basket is just overflowing. And there's some stuff in there that's already expired. So I need to just go through that and just clean it up in here a little bit. And so that's what I'm going to do.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So here's some snacks that I'm gonna try to get on the plane. I like to put them in my book bag that I take on the plane. So yeah, I'm gonna try to sneak these snacks on the plane so that we can have something to munch on while we're in the air. Because some of the snacks on the plane are not sufficient enough. And my husband, who has diabetes, and so he likes the almonds that you see there. And then my girls, they need a little something. So this is my refrigerator. It is a hot mess. It is completely full of leftovers that we did not eat. just full of a bunch of junk right now that could be trashed and will definitely cause the house to smell while we're gone, and I do not want that. So I'm gonna have to thoroughly go through this and just dump a lot of stuff and clean it all up. And plus, this is my opportunity to label some stuff that I wanted to label that I didn't get a chance to do, and organize some stuff that I didn't get a chance to do. So I'm just going to do that now. It's the perfect time. So this is everything out of my refrigerator on the counters, just sitting around. And this is, I'm just going to have to condense this all. This all cannot stay in here. So I'm going to check everything for expiration dates and see what needs to go. And I'm just going to trash what needs to be trashed. Unfortunately, it's a little bit of waste, but it's got to go. So I'm just going to wipe down the refrigerator. I've cleaned this out thoroughly before, even before all the leftovers got in there. So right now it's pretty clean. I'm just going to wipe it down though, just to make sure, that it won't end up smelling or anything. So I just want to definitely give it a quick wipe down of all the drawers and all the shelving in here, and just to make sure that it doesn't smell. And this is it cleaned out. There's still a few leftovers in here, and that's because we're going to eat those for like today, and we still have at least another day before we leave, so we're going to eat that. The rest of the stuff, I checked the expiration dates. It'll be good until we get back. And then I got to label a lot of stuff, so that's good, and this stuff will hang on until we get back. So, and I don't think we're going to have any smells, so I think we're good. Now, this is where the real work begins. The cleaning stuff, that's the easy stuff. But the real work is, how do I get all of my clothes, and that includes a dress, some shoes, shirts, pajamas, underwear, everything, plus all of my toiletries, everything, into a carry-on bag and a book bag. And that includes all of my electronics, phone, chargers, watch charger, headphones, everything, into a carry-on bag and a book bag. Like, how do you do that? I have to get all this stuff, this pile of stuff, plus my clothes, and an extra purse. Because I don't want to carry the book bag around the whole time. So I'm going to carry like 2 purses and a shoe. How do you do that?
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Between which green shirt. I didn't know if I wanted the light green shirt or the dark green shirt. The light green shirt has these like cute little design on the front, and then the dark green shirt, or the darker green shirt, has just these pockets on the front. And I couldn't decide which one I wanted the most, which one looks better. But I just decided I don't want green at all. I don't think so. I just want blue. I am a blue type of gal. So I ended up just taking the blue one and getting rid of the green. And that is how I made that decision. Now I'm going to finish up with doing a little bit more cleaning. I'm going to clean out the bowls that had the leftovers in it and get that all cleaned up. And then I'm going to just finish cleaning up the kitchen, and then we're good to go. So we're ready for vacation. We're so excited. We need this. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you bring some other people along with you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
The chains, you can say no, free me.